Welcome to day 1 of our free baker series. In this series, we're going to go over everything baking, from cake pops to chocolate strawberries to Rice Krispies. I also want to dedicate a whole video to decorating. What's the difference between fondant and chocolate? What's better? We're going to start with the most important ingredient, which is chocolate. I'm going to show you what to use, how to melt it, how to use it, and troubleshooting. As you guys know, there are 2 types of chocolate that bakers use. We have real chocolate, which contains cocoa butter. This chocolate is good, it's delicious, it's a little bit more expensive. It also needs tempering, which is why this is for more professional baking like truffles. And if you temper it right, you get that little snap. Some examples of real chocolate would be Guitar, Calibel, Peter's chocolate. These are all delicious options, but they do need tempering. Now, the other option is compound chocolate. This chocolate is made of vegetable oils and sugar. It does not contain any cocoa butter. It's sweeter, it tastes more artificial, but it is super easy to melt. Today, I want to talk about compound chocolate and the difference between these 3 brands. This is what most treat bakers use. We have Almond Bark, Candy Melts, and Merkins. We're going to start with the most affordable, which is Almond Bark. I get it at Walmart for $4.38. You get a 1-pound bag, which is a lot. It's pretty sweet, pretty artificial. It's great for beginners. The downside is that it only comes in white and chocolate. So if you wanted to color this, you have to buy your own food coloring separately, and it has to be oil-based. You also don't need to thin it out because it's a perfect consistency. Now, moving on to candy melts, I am using Meltcraft from Michaels. Candy melts are a lot thicker, so sometimes you might have to thin it out with a little bit of vegetable shortening or oil. You can often get it on sale for $3.99, but regular size is $4.99. They have a large variety of colors, which is great for beginners, but again, very artificial and sweet. Moving on to the next one, we have Merkins. Even though Merkins is a compound chocolate, it is way better quality. It's closer to real chocolate. The consistency is smooth, it's delicious. I got this 5-pound bag from Amazon for $27.31. It is a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. And again, it only comes in white and chocolate, so you have to buy your food coloring separately. It's perfect for professional looking treats, so if you're selling, this is a great option. So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the price difference. We have Almond Bark at $4.38 for 24 ounces, which equals 18 cents per ounce. For Candy Melts, we pay $4.99 for 12 ounces, which is 41 cents per ounce. And for Merkins, we pay $27.31 for 80 ounces, which is 34 cents an ounce. And the winner for me is Merkins. The quality is amazing. It is worth the money, you guys. If you're selling, this is a great option for you. Your customers will thank you. I hope you enjoyed the first day of our baker series. In the next video, we will be melting the chocolate, comparing the 3. After that, we'll begin with cake pops, and then we'll move on to cakesicles and so on and so forth. I want to teach you guys everything from A to Z so you guys can feel comfortable and confident every step of the way. But we have to get the basics down first. That's why we're starting with the chocolate and the cake pops, and then we'll move on to more fun stuff. Make sure you guys are following me, like the video, make sure you turn on the notifications so you guys can be informed when I post another video. It's gonna get so fun, you guys. We're gonna learn so much. I am so happy that you guys are here. But that is all for today. I will see you guys on the next video.